In this video, I'm going to show you how to bid on a Namecheap auction step by step, so you can find the right domain, place a bid correctly, and know exactly what happens if you win. This is really useful if you're trying to secure a great domain name for a brand, a project, or a new website, because auction domains can sometimes be a lot more affordable than buying them outright later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Namecheap website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, log into your Namecheap account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, because bidding on auctions requires you to be signed in. After you're logged in, look for the Domains section. This is where Namecheap keeps all the domain-related tools and marketplace features. From there, select Namecheap Market. This will take you to the marketplace area where auction and listed domains are available. Now you can browse through the available domains, or if you already have something specific in mind, use the search bar to look for it directly. This is a great way to save time if you're hunting for a keyword-rich name, a short brandable domain, or a specific extension. Once you find a domain you want to bid on, click it to open the details page. Here, take a moment to review the important auction information carefully. Look at the current highest bid so you know what you're competing against. Check the auction end time so you understand how much time is left. And if there is a reserve price, make sure you see that too, because that tells you whether the domain still needs to reach a minimum amount before it can be sold. After reviewing the auction details, enter your bid amount. Make sure your bid meets the auction requirements, because if it's too low, it won't be accepted. If you're not sure how much to bid, think about the value of the domain, the competition level, and how much the name could be worth to your business or brand. When your bid amount is ready, click Place Bid. Namecheap will usually ask you to confirm your bid, so read the confirmation message carefully before proceeding. If everything looks correct, confirm your bid to submit it. Once your bid is placed, don't just forget about it. Check the auction periodically to see if other bidders have raised the price. If someone outbids you, you may need to decide whether you want to increase your offer or move on to another domain. If you win the auction, Namecheap will send you email instructions explaining how to complete the payment and receive the domain. Follow those instructions carefully and make payment on time, because auction purchases usually have a limited window for completion. Once payment is complete, the domain will be transferred to your account and you'll be ready to use it. And that's how to bid on a Namecheap auction from start to finish. You've learned how to find the auction section, review the listing details, place a bid, monitor competition and complete payment if you win. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.